Hello, good afternoon, welcome to MK Community Progress. My name is Mohammed. In this video I'm going to explain to you about the part 2 about studying for the firefighter test. Now, for those of you that know what that is, there's a test coming up for the fire department. So for those of you that have practice, I'll be going to their seminar. That's going to be an excellent thing because they do give you a booklet for you to teach. For those of you that unfortunately that couldn't go, I have this video to help you guys out as well. So let's get started. So going back towards the first part, I leave us 2 questions because I didn't want to make the video too lengthy. So this is question number 7 and 8 and the answers to them. So you could read the passage again and you can actually look into this, do the whole thing over again. It's for your purposes for practice. Now in the firefighter test, there's going to be some math problems as well. So keep that in mind. There are 2 steps to math problems. There's a translate the wording to numeric equation and solving the equation. Obviously read the passage entirely. If there is a passage, look at the information gathered, what information they give you, look into that, work in an organized manner. Don't just look scramble around and see what the answer is going to be, but have like looking at 10 different ways. Keep concentrated. So these are the steps that they're giving you, when they give you the test. Math expression, they were going to give you some examples. For example, additions, multiplications, what is the sum of 8 and y, like stuff like that. They're gonna give you express the total weight of x plus y. This is some of the mathematics skills that they're gonna be giving you during the firefighter test, so keep that in mind as well. Per means divided by, as I drove 90 miles on 3 gallons of gas, got 30 miles per gallon. So these are some of the vocabulary and keywords that they give you as well. Obviously you can look into it on your own. Less than, right, difference between, or construction, like for example, what is the number of children was reduced by 6 and 20x minus 6. This is some of the examples that they give you when you take the firefighter test. Obviously again, this is some of the things they could also give you by comparing the nutrition value, because a lot of firefighters do work out like when they go to blazing fires, risk their lives to help out the others, but they also lose a lot of calories as well at the same time. So they also want to they actually make you eat a balanced meal so that you don't lose nutrition inside your body, so that once you do go out and help people, you need to be energized. So this is some of the questions they might ask you as well. For example, firefighter Harriet has 1 cup of fruits and trail nut mix. What percentage of saturated fat did she have daily? So if you look into this answer, fruit meal mix, and you can see what percentage that firefighter did have, and the answer is 33%. Again, number 2, she also consumed 12 pretzel twists. How many milligrams of sodium did she have from the pretzel twist? The answer is 345 milligram, and if you look into that pretzel twist, it will show you how many milligrams did she have, which is right over here. Number 3, how many more grams of total carbohydrate did she have in the fruits and trail nuts mix versus the pretzel twist? It's 58.5. Number 4, Lieutenant Smith and tried the rice cakes, but she could eat only 4. What percentage of total fat did she get for the rice cakes in daily value? It's 2%. Lieutenant Smith was a healthy mood, so he had about 56 vegetable chips. How many grams of protein did he have after eating both the rice cakes and the vegetable chips? And the answer is 4.5 grams. Again, this is some of the questions you can read on your own. I don't want to read through the whole thing, but I'll read 2 more questions. How many more sodium did F.F. Johnson have than F.F. Harris? It's 385 milligrams. These are some of the questions they're going to be asking you when you do take the firefighter test, so keep that in mind. Another last question I'm going to read. F.F. Johnson bragged to F.F. Harris that he had eaten total carbohydrates than her. How much less total carbohydrates he had eaten? Is 85.5 grams. So that was it. These are some of the questions I wanted to help you guys study for the test. I'm going to go over step by step. I'm going to have multiple parts of this video, but at this time I'm just going to have part 2 with only limited what I just taught. If you guys have any other questions, comment, concern, please comment, like, subscribe. I'm going to break into, like I said, into smaller videos, so it'll be helpful for you people that rather than watching in one video, you'll have multiple parts, and if you have a part you need more concentration. But those are some of the samples that they will ask you during the test, so keep that in mind. Thank you again guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.